President Trump.
I've heard that some doctors are over-attributing COVID-19 as the cause of death with a lot of their patients. Are doctors motivated to get as many COVID-19 patients as possible so they can receive federal funds?
So I don't want to say they're motivated to, but there are incentives in place, and the incentives are based on good motives, meaning that if a hospital system is overwhelmed because we're treating patients with this virus, then we're going to reimburse them at a higher rate to make up for some of the work and difficulty and trauma that they've been experiencing by taking care of these patients. So there are mechanisms in place to reimburse hospitals, but the only way they can track that is by tracking the number of COVID-19 patients and the number of deaths that are associated with COVID-19 patients. So what we do see is happening is patients that die but without a laboratory diagnosis, they're getting coded COVID-19, and there's this natural human tendency to lean in the direction of something that is economically benefiting their healthcare system. When I code on our electronic medical record systems, there are coding for COVID-19, and the organizations that provide these codings, let us know what the cost and benefit is for making these codes. So I don't want to say there's dishonest doctors out there that are doing this purposely. I'm sure there's some of that, but there's this natural tendency to lean in the direction and code in a way that will ensure higher reimbursements for a healthcare system that's overwhelmed.
So like every COVID death a person had COVID, not every COVID death is from COVID.
Correct, that's right.
So going forward with all of this, what would your plan of action be if you were in charge?
I'm still waiting for the phone call from Governor Newsom. Hasn't come yet, but if I were in charge, I'd look individually at the local healthcare systems. I would put as much decision-making power into the hands of the local politicians, City of Newport Beach, the City of Huntington Beach, et cetera, and let them make decisions for their locality. I know here in Orange County, a lot of the cities are coming together to lobby Governor Newsom